Webflow portfolio website, how to use Webflow to create your own portfolio page. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this software to create our own portfolio. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. They provide us the opportunity to create it from scratch, or we can use some of the templates. Basically it's not that hard. As you can see, now we are on the start page, and in order to get started we need to click on start building or get started. It's free. In the top of the screen you can also find a lot of information and of course a price plan. So let's click on get started, and after that we can continue with our email or Gmail. In this case I'm going to continue with Gmail. I think this is the most suitable variant as for me, so it may take a little time, and after that we'll come to our dashboard where we can find a lot of our stuff. Of course, like sites we already created. If you are new to this service, you don't have this site right up here. We can also find the marketplace with different templates we can buy and use, some learn and resources of course. If you're interested in buying like something from the Webflow, for example we have paid plans, we can just go to account and find a lot of settings and like other stuff here. So let's get started. Click on new site on our dashboard and we'll come to this page where we can create it from totally scratch, or we can use portfolio starter, business starter and store starter. Also, if you scroll down we can find some templates we can buy. Of course, like they are not free, like $79, $24, $129, $79 and so on. But there is also like some of free templates we can use. Unfortunately, there is no like template for the portfolio, so we can just only create it from scratch or from template which are provided from Webflow. So if you're interested, you can try to find, and maybe you'll be interested to buy some of the templates. But in this case, we are going to use portfolio starter, so we can preview or select it. I'm going to click on select because I know. So let it be like helper. Let it be like helper. Click on create site, and after that we'll come to the page with editor, so we can customize every single part of our stuff here. As you can see in the left side we have our menu where we can add different objects, so we can just add sections, containers, grid, a lot of stuff here, like different text, shapes and so on. Also there is like components here, so we can find how does our website build. So it has footer, contact and navigation. Basically we'll come to this a little bit later. So as you can see we have some steps we can complete. We can change colors, of course, we can replace images. I got it. Basically I don't want to use this tutorial. What is important is that we can customize every single part here. So for example, we can change the only portfolio, we can change it to the another style. So we can just simply click on edit component, and now we'll able to edit every single part here. So firstly I'm going to change the height, width and so on. We can also change the margin here. We can change some style and so on. Every single part here is like about customization. We can add some borders if we need, like right border, top or left. So sometimes it could be really helpful if you are interested. For example, as you can see we are customizing these blocks right up here. So basically if you scroll down we can also customize some effects, and we can do it with every single part here. For example, if you have like a logo image, if you click, as you can see it's like only about image, so we can change it from the other stuff, or we can show all the settings here and then just change it. So this is not basically like text. Let's try to add something here. We can add some button, or in this case I'm going to add some text here. I'm interested in text, so let's click on maybe elements or do some other stuff. So let's try to find, let's add maybe text here. So as you can see it was successfully added. So we can add like helper man, let it be like this. So we can change the position of our block, we can change the alignment. Every single part is available to change here, so we can just move it to the central part, change the alignment to the right, to the middle, as you can see, so we can add the name of our of us in the portfolio. So also there is like name text here. I'm going to delete it basically. So how can we deal? We can just simply click on it here and then just click on delete if you are not interested. But basically I'm going to change it to something like maybe portfolio and so on. So let it be like this. So as you can see, we can customize every single part. We can change the image here, so we can just simply use some styles. We can rename class and so on. So a lot of stuff we can customize. Also there is like input area here. So when everything is done, we can just simply click on publish, and as you can see, we can change the domain. We can use custom domain, or we can just use the domain provided by webflow.io. So I'll just click on publish to selected domains here, and in a few seconds everything will be done and our website will be available. It was published successfully, as you can see. So now we can just click on close and we can go back to our dashboard in the left top corner here. I'll just click on dashboard, and now we'll find our website right up here. So as you can see, we have a lot of options here. We can delete, duplicate, move to folder, share, editor, or add settings. So if you'll click, I will open the page of our website. So as you can see, there is like paid plans. Of course, we can like starter, best for learning how to use Webflow, basic plan, best for launching a simple site, CMS, or business. So we can find the differences in the table here. So sometimes it could be really helpful. If you're interested in working with like Webflow for a long time, I suggest you to use CMS plan, because this is firstly the most popular and it's like the most balanced, so we can use it like really cool, and the price is not that high, only $23 per month. If you're going to maybe earn money from this website, it will be pretty helpful as for us. But basically, yeah, this is a way of how can we deal with Webflow. We can also find a lot of different information here. So I'm just going to my dashboard back to open it here. And as you can see, we can like, add some stuff here, and or we can visit our website by clicking on this link down below. We can share it, send it to another guy, because now it's available online and we can use it. We can view. As you can see, nothing is customized, but I show the options of how can we do this. As for me, Webflow is really comfortable. Maybe you can try also use Wix. I have tutorials about these software on my channel also. You can try to search for them. But yeah, basically this is a way of how can we use Webflow to create our portfolio website. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.